Hey guys, it's your girl Maria. I'm coming to you today from the Celebrity Beyond. Today is September 21st. We are on a 7-day cruise. Super excited. I wanted to give you guys a cabin tour, and we were lucky enough to get an Aqua Sky Suite. At the end of this video, I will let you guys know how we were able to get this suite for $500 above our original room that we had reserved. So I'll talk to you guys about that later. But we are in an Aqua Sky Suite. Amazing, great amenities. So as you come into the room, you have your light controls. Okay, one controls the main living and then the other one controls the entire room. So you can use those as at your leisure. And then you get to your storage area. Your closet does come with two nice comfy robes. Please don't take them home with you. You will see a charge. Okay, don't take them home. Just leave them, use them, and leave them. Okay. Awesome. Lots of hangers, lots of hangers. If you need more, you can always ask your cabin attendant. I'm sure they'll bring you more hangers. All right. And then from there, you actually get to see your bathroom. We'll go in there in a moment. And then there's some additional storage right here. So I don't know why it's so hard for me to always open this door. But some additional storage here. Also comes with like 2 umbrellas that you can use while you're on the cruise, a laundry bag, and also a bag that you can use when you go on your excursions. In case you forgot to bring one, you could just take that with you. You also have the safe in here and 3 drawers. Take a look at these drawers. They're pretty deep. So there's lots of storage in this room. All right. And then as we proceed in the room, you get to the bed, and it is a large king bed. It's a really nice big bed. With the Sky Suites, you do have the opportunity to, it's like called like a pillow menu. You can pick a pillow. They sent me the request, I think a month ago, and I told them what I wanted. So I think these are supposed to be like foam. I didn't want the feather stuff. So you could get feather if you want it. I didn't want it. So, but let's talk about what you get on each side of the room, of the bed. So on one side of the bed, you get the phone and you get a light. Okay. There's no USB. So once again, phone and the light. Now, if you go on to the other side, you will get a lamp, a plug, a light, and 2 USBs. So depending on what your needs are, you might want to think about what side of the bed you're going to sleep on. Maybe you're used to sleeping on the right side of the bed. Maybe this time you sleep on the left side of the bed because of your needs, or vice versa, or what have you. But do think about that. But you also do get some storage. Storage on this side is actually bigger than the storage that you get on the other end. All right, and then let's talk about this mirror that you get. This is a full body mirror. All you have to do is move this table in, and then you end up with a full body mirror, as well as this chair. Okay, I'm gonna put it back. It's a really nice, comfortable chair. You can sit here and do your makeup, or you can do your makeup in the bathroom. I'll show you guys a little bit later. Also here, you do have the mini fridge or the mini bar. The mini bar does come with stuff already in there. What we always do, we ask the room attendant to empty the mini bar. We do have the drink package. We rather just go ahead and get our own stuff, because if you use anything that's in the mini bar, they're actually going to charge you for it. It's not included in your drink package. So just make sure that they just take everything out. That's my suggestion to you. Quick tip. And then here's the dresser. The dressers are divided into 2. There's 3 drawers. There's 1. The bottom 2 are actually deeper than the top one, as you can see. There you go. There's a 3rd one. All right. And here's also where you're going to find your outlets. There's going to be 1 European and 2 American ones, and then 2 USB outlets that you can use, and you can actually put your stuff inside just to get them away. There's a remote control. There is a TV. As you can see that the bed is over here. The TV is over there. The TV does swivel. So it does swivel enough that you should be able to see it from the bed. All right. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go, oh, sorry, forgot. Also, there is a long couch that is in here, and I think that turns into a bed. Yeah, it looks like it turned into a bed. It was really comfortable. I sat in it earlier today. The Sky Suites do come with some Brut, as you can see here. We're probably not going to drink it. I know I'm not going to drink it. I don't know if Dexter's going to drink it, but I'm for sure not going to drink it. And then now we're going to go ahead and tour the bathroom. Watch your step. All right. And in the bathroom, you have dual sink. Dual sink. You also have some storage shelves on the side. There's storage shelves actually on both sides. But what's really nice about here is that you have like this little makeup area here. It comes with this little bench and the makeup mirror, some tissues if you need it, but just really, really good lighting over here. All right, and then you also have some outlets here, but really it's to be used for the shavers, the men's shavers. So keep that in mind. The toilet is separated. So it's in a separate room. And for you men who's wondering, like, yeah, I think there's enough room if you're sitting down for your legs. You guys know what I mean. All right. Unlike the regular balcony rooms that just have a shower, this actually is a tub shower combo, rain shower combo. But it also has the handheld, as you can see here. So yeah, if you are coming from an excursion that you got really, really like soaked wet, you can always call your butler or the concierge. I'm not sure what they're calling here. But you can always call them and have them run you a bath. I'm probably not going to do that. So, but yeah, you can do that. And I could see that, a nice little bath after an excursion like that, how that would be useful. Something really, really nice about the bathroom here is that it has sliding mirrors. So these are mirrors, right? And if I want to, in the morning, look to see what's going on outside, it's a nice little sea day. While I'm washing my face, brushing my teeth, I can open this up and have this really nice view. And so as I walk to the I walk to the balcony, because that's going to be our last spot. I'm going to tell you guys about how it was we were able to get this deal. So originally, when I booked this reservation, it was around, I think it was around $2,800 when I booked this. I booked it for regular edge, stateroom, same date, same everything on Beyond. But I just kept looking and looking at the prices. I kept checking the prices and checking the prices. And about, I would have to say maybe 2 weeks before final pay date, I noticed that the price for everything had dropped, right? But I was really interested in getting a suite because it's my husband's birthday. I'm celebrating his birthday, so I really wanted to get him a suite. So when I did the math with all of the extra things that we had purchased, such as the drink package, and I also purchased the thermal lounge, we did the math, the difference between upgrading to the suite and upgrading to the suite and staying where we were, it was like $500. It was $500. And we get access to Lumine, we get access to the retreat area, and then we also get access to Blue. In addition to that, we also get access obviously to the thermal lounge because we're staying in Aqua Sky Suite. So my tip to you guys is to make sure that you're always checking the prices, if not for an upgrade, but to get money back. Like, I've already made back almost $900 on my cruise that I've scheduled for January because I kept checking. And I'm staying in the same room. I haven't upgraded that room, but I've made back like $900 from that. So just want to make sure that you guys know that tip. Don't just book and leave it alone. You can book and maybe once a week, once every other week, just quickly go in, double check and see if the price have gone down, because you can very well end up in a suite as opposed to a balcony room, which there's nothing wrong with the balcony, but honestly guys, I really was not feeling like the edge room balcony, the one with the window. I call those windows. So I was really excited when I was able to upgrade to this package. Shout out to my friend who was able to hook me up with with the discount and making sure that I was up to date with everything that was going on. So the last thing I want to share with you guys is going to be the balcony here. I'm going to step back because I mean how big this balcony is, because this is your view from the bed. Okay, like the bed is behind me. So you wake up in the morning to this view. You wake up in the morning to this view, okay? And from the app on your phone, you can actually open the blinds. So again, you wake up in the morning to that view. And look how big this balcony is. Really, really nice size balcony. We are still currently in port. We're in Miami Port. And so let's go ahead and check it out. All right. Some reviews that you guys have seen, I have seen, show that there is supposed to be a lounger here. So we are missing that lounger. I'm not going to say anything because it doesn't matter to me. But so normally there's supposed to be a lounger here, 2 chairs and a table. And you can see how much space is in here. I'm going to stand on the other end so you can see that there's definitely seem to be missing something on that side. And you can see it's just a beautiful room. Again, this is room 10114. If you have any questions, just like put them down below and I'll answer them for you. But you can see the view is uninterrupted. It's gorgeous. We are on the same side as the Sky Suite. I mean, I think it's called the Magic. Is it the Magic Carpet? It's probably not. But anyway. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Might have been a long video, but appreciate you for watching, viewing, subscribe. We're going to be posting more and more videos of our cruises. We've got quite a few left for the year. Talk to you then. Bye.